Where's the diamond?
I took one heart. I took one hit. Oh. Appreciate it. Well.
I'm being attacked. Please, Luigi.
What do you want me to do? That's a great way to start the video. An attack in the first 30 minutes. Alright, so we've been redeployed to a different location since the last failed test where we were stranded. Let's say. We managed to get back to base and we're redeployed with our good friend Dream Shader, who has now fallen off of a cliff, and we are back to a duo. Captain Fries is somewhere over there. I'm still the only one with who specializes in something, specifically my heavy weaponry, which we all got a bit different gear. Specifically, I have the M60.
Luigi, I can finally make pants now.
Good for you. What kind?
Iron.
You need 7. Oh wait, there's more over by me.
I'm coming. It's just making a trouble.
Luigi, make sure Fries didn't take my iron. I called it from your screen.
Captain.
Iron.
Captain.
Don't TP me.
I'm TPing you to me.
No, there's iron here.
There's more iron here.
Yeah, but there's iron here. You're not gonna miss out on the iron.
What do I feel like I'm below you?
Mr. Hi. Mr. F.
Iron.
Captain, do you think you can get that iron for
I'm ready
us?
for my TP. Please save me.
No, it's my iron.
It's Captain. It's Louis. Sorry, I'm having an issue. That is not yours. That is my iron because I found it first.
Okay, I'm stop!
It's Lincoln's iron. I mean Dream Shader.
I thought it was yours.
Yeah, I'm giving it to him because he needs the resources.
I don't want to be.
I want some pants. I want some boots.
And I want iron. Why can I not have iron?
I never said you can't, Captain.
One, 2. No! I'm
Yeah, I'm only at 3 hearts. Oh, I won't. It was only like your second time.
Place the block right there.
Oh, you ran out. Of course you ran out. I saw some more that was up, I think. I'm gonna go find it. The power of friendship compels you to die. There's more iron up here.
I called it from your screen.
Nope, I call it. It's 2 pieces. I want me some boots.
Boots take 4.
Yeah.
I need a friend and I have 9.
Oh, can I have 2 of yours?
No.
/KIL megabyte prime. You're gonna pay me 2 iron, or I'm gonna take it 2 iron. I want me some boots. Also, I literally don't have any wood.
Get me out. I don't want to deal with a fucking cave dweller.
Oh no. Oh no!
Fuck out. Get me the fuck out.
What did you see? That night dweller thing?
I don't want to deal with the cave dweller.
Oh, I don't want to be in here anymore. Give me the... Yeah.
And yet, now you're scared of a monster that was supposed to be
Oh, one of the reasons that we got redeployed is because we're not hunting dwellers. They are just an
If you see
unexpected
like a villager with red eyes, that's an fungal infected.
Can you pass me your pickaxe, Captain? Captain.
Like a villager with red
Captain,
eyes,
pass me
that's
your
fungal
Captain, pass me
infected.
your pickaxe.
Why can't you craft your own?
Too lazy. Also, I don't have any wood.
Honestly, you guys about to say too lazy.
All right, can I have
Then
two?
let us have some of the iron.
There was only 2 pieces, and I need another 2 for my.
Okay, can I have my pickaxe back?
Can you pass me 2 iron, Dream Shader?
Can I have iron as well?
Oh, well, let me add.
Leave me alone.
No, I want to add mine.
Oh yes. Put it in the furnace.
Trying.
I'm not in here?
There's not enough room.
Get out.
But am I not allowed to have iron at least?
No, I have iron.
There's not enough.
Look, I have iron.
Can you share?
No, it's mine. Find your own. Here's your 2 ingots.
Thank you. I need
You
4.
won't share.
I need 4. Please. I found 4.
You won't share. What does mean?
Give me back.
Mine it.
What?
Mine it. Before he risk destroying it when he's after us.
My iron back, Jackson?
Can I have 1 more piece of iron?
No!
No, you will.
Give me my iron. I found it fair and square. I also need to get this. Give me my iron. Give me my iron.
Iron Golem 2023 says TP me.
I did give you your iron back.
Oh yeah. I don't feel like we already had this conversation in a different world.
It's a good question.
No, TP me back right now.
Fox, I want iron. Can you tell your brother to
You
share?
have enough iron. You need 1 more.
6!
You need 1 more piece, and there's 3.
Well, I found it, Jackson. Deal with it. TP me back. Give me my iron.
You have enough iron.
Give me
You
my
have enough
iron.
You have enough iron. You have enough iron. You have enough iron. You have enough iron. Take your pants and be happy that I'm letting you have pants.
You can't control what I craft.
Yeah, I know. I could have just not TP'd you until I had all 3 pieces of iron, though.
The one that has
Being
off.
unfair, Jackson. I found those fair and square. I mined them fair and square. You're too lazy to even craft a pickaxe.
That was funny. That was so funny. That was so funny, though. Like, we're just going at it.
Yeah? TP me to fries. Okay, one moment. Yo, wait, no, it's my friend.
Oh, you wanna go see the knocker with me?
TP me to fries. You're wasting your ability on my pants. I just got your coffee pants.
Solution, if you shoot me again, I'm killing you. Also,
This is our temporary camp, I guess. Then.
I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot you.
Yeah, no, he did.
Goodbye.
I misplaced my clock.
Good. I'm literally being
Give
attacked.
me your wood.
I swear, I'm kicking you out of the world, Dream Shader.
Now just take all the crafting tables. And the torch. No, don't do that, Jackson. You're gonna lose the torch.
We can get more, and also I can just keep inventory, kill you, and then kick you.
No.
We will put you out for
Can you
treason.
keep them back to fries? I kinda stole his only torch and I want to give it back. Not because you're threatening me.
Yeah, I'm on like patrol out here.
I don't have no crafting table. No! Can I kill him?
No.
Can I kill him?
No, you cannot kill him.
Why? Can you at least give me the name?
You've lost your TP from the villages.
Please? I want to give him back his torch.
Give him back his crap before we assassinate you
I did.
for treason. So, I don't really need boots.
My boots!
My boots.
Like drip.
You have
Who are
torches.
We're coming.
We don't want to go
There's
swimming.
an entire stack of horses.
What do you guys